everyone, I will show you a simple and fun color sorting activity for kids. It's called color sorting activity with pom-pom. For this activity, we need use water bottle, colored paper, pom-poms, and a board. And this one, you will call this one is a tong. Next, cut the colored paper into circle. Paste on them on each bottle section according to their colors, like this. Now, give the child some colorful pom-poms. The child will pick up pom-pom and place it to the correct bottle section that matches its color, like this. This one is color yellow. You have to put it here on the yellow bottle. The next one is blue pom-pom. Next is the orange. And the next one is purple.
Pom-pom.
Get it?
Get it.
Okay, you can try. What color is that?
Yellow.
Okay, next.
Orange.
Good. Next.
Purple. Blue.
This activity helps children learn colors, improve hand-eye coordination, and developing sorting skills. Try this at home. Have fun. Thank you.